Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and today I have for you a review from Beauty Big Bang, and this is Beauty Big Bang's Manicure Kit. Wait until you see this. Is absolutely beautiful. As always, I will leave the link down in the description bar below for this, and you may also apply my code NAQ57 for a 10% discount. Now what you're looking at here is the beautiful packaging. Look at I really like the pattern on the box here, and it looks as if it was wrapped with a ribbon. On the back you have, if you want to go ahead and pause this to read what it includes, and I will go ahead and read it to you really quick. So this is it says about the product, and it says portable and lightweight. The Baby Bang 9-piece nail set comes with a portable leather case that is easily opened with a push of a button. It is also very lightweight, so you can carry it with you in your bag every day and pack it with you when you go traveling. There are 9 pieces of in this manicure and pedicure nail set. It included in this 9-piece set. There are 2 nail clippers, 1 nail file, 1 scissor, 1 tweezer, 1 dead skin fork, not sure what that is, but we will find out, 1 cuticle nipper, 1 ear pick, okay, and 1 acne pin. Acne is misspelled, but it just says CNE, but I'm pretty sure it means an acne pin. And it's made out of 100% stainless steel, and this says these nail clipping tools are made with 100% stainless steel. The set is strong and built to last. Notice, keep out of reach of children and avoid clipping your cuticles if you have diabetes or other health issues. And then they have their social media connections. So let's go ahead and open this and see what it looks like. Now guys, check it out. Absolutely beautiful. So it says leather, but unlike what you might have expected, this is kind of like a duochrome leather. It reminds me a lot of their stamping plate case and also a makeup bag that they had. It has their logo right here, and I had already taken a peek out of this before. Just wanted to show you. So to open it, you could just press on this button right here, and there are all your pieces. So, and at the same time, so I was also, to shut it, I was trying to press on it, and to shut it you really have to push as you're holding it together, and then push the button back to secure it together. Isn't that neat? It's pretty cute. I like it. It's very lightweight, as you can see. It's fits about the palm of my hand. So let's take a look inside and take a closer look at the tools. So as you see, it came with this piece of cloth kind of separating the 2 sides, but again, everything is very well secure in here. Let me go ahead and show you probably better this way. So this is on one side. Now we'll go ahead and remove these, and I will try to demonstrate that use as many of these as possible. That's why my nails are naked. There they are, so that everything is nice and well secure. It's got a nice texture fabric pattern here with part of the leather inside as well, and this is just silver. And guys, with Mother's Day around the corner, I think this will make a very handy gift for mom coming Mother's Day. Let's take a look at the tools. Okay, so the 2 nail clippers, as it mentions on the back of the box, here they are, 2 different sizes. So 2 different sizes. We have the big one, usually mostly used for toenails, and then the smaller one for smaller nails or fingernails. So it feels nice and sturdy. Again, yeah, good. Stainless steel, that's good. So it doesn't, if it gets wet, they don't rust. This I will not test on my nails and will not demonstrate on how to clip my nails. And then it secures right there. Then we have the big one. Again, it's nice and sturdy. I mean, it's got a good grip. So it's got some ridges here to keep it from being slippery. Let's put these 2 aside. A metal nail file. This is something else that, unfortunately, guys, I will not show you how or demonstrate the use of a nail file. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to use a nail file, and the reason being is because to me, using a metal nail file is like nails on a blackboard. Yeah, it feels that bad. But yes, so it's got nice, it looks like it's the same grit on both sides just from looking. and it's got a nice point here, not too sharp. This is not, this I can tell it's kind of, it has somewhat of a flat point there, so it's not, it doesn't seem dangerously pointed. And this is nice. I mean, this is how this, you can tell this is, and as you can, very good quality right there. So it has a good weight to it, but not heavy. So that was the nail file. Now let's take a look at the scissors. And here are the scissors. They do say stainless steel right here. They are somewhat curved, and if you can tell, see right there, so they're not completely straight. And these do feel like they have a good grip, and they feel pretty tight there, but at the same time very flexible. They don't feel flimsy at all, if you know what I mean, but very lightweighted as well. Very good material. The tweezers, let's look at the tweezers. So I see these have a rubber band holding them together, and again they have good grids here for a good grip and not slippery. They have a flat angle end here. There you can see. Very nice tweezers. Okay guys, and the dead skin fork, I am going to assume is this one right here, as it looks very much like a cuticle pusher. I mean, so you will use this end, see the sharp, for prying or scraping any dead skin or cuticle around your nails, and you can do this. Okay, and then here this end is a cuticle pusher. It's pretty neat, kind of. So this one, it has more of a dull look. It doesn't have the shine look as the other tools. It has a neat design there. So from this end, you will just use it as a cuticle pusher. I do like that. So yeah, so this is a dead skin fork is what they're calling it. The cuticle nipper, so the cuticle nipper, to remove it, you will unsnap this end. It's nice and secure there. And again, this, so it has the, you do have to turn this here, like that. Let's lock it. Make sure it's lined up. It's got a nice rubber pin right there. Just and yeah, it's nice and compact, small, and I don't know that I have anything here that I can for nipping, but these are very sharp, nice and steady. They again feel like very good quality nippers. And this is what I will say is the ear pick. I don't know that I would put anything metal in my ears. Do any of you do? I don't know. I use Q-tips, but look at this. So yeah, I mean, it's not sharp. It kind of looks, it is curved, and I don't know that you maybe, if there's another purpose for it, maybe you can use it for your nails also, if not for your ears. But there it is, and it's nice and light. I will say definitely be super careful with anything you put in your ears. And then last but not least, we have the acne pin, and these I have seen. So because it has a very pointed sharp here, this was actually protected with this plastic right there. So yeah, this is super pointy, and that's very sharp. Yes, that will prick you. And then we have this end, which is, that's how you kind of really pick your pimple. I know it doesn't sound very pleasant, but yeah, they do make these tools, and it has a nice grip. So some ridges here for a nice grip, nice and light. Again, with this being a manicure set, you can probably use this for, you know, cleaning around your cuticle. If you don't care for using anything that sharp, this will make a nice water marble tool as well. Let's put everything back in here. Okay guys, so I went ahead and put everything back in its case. What do you guys think of this cute little set? I think it does make it will make a nice Mother's Day gift. coming Mother's Day. If you guys have any questions about these or how to use any of the tools, I know, I'm sorry I couldn't demonstrate each one, but we pretty much know how to use these tools in here. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Beauty Big Bang for sending me this beautiful manicure set to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.